Welcome to Alcohol and Anime Night. Tonight, in honor of Oktoberfest, we are going to be doing something very special. I am going to be unboxing my first anime figure ever that I've ever bought. The REM Oktoberfest SEGA Super Premium figure. Let's not wait any longer. Let's crack it open. One of my favorite memories is a trip to Japan that I took with my friends. There'll be a link in the card up top there. And we went to an Oktoberfest. It was such a good time, and seeing this figure just really reminds me of that incredible time we had at the Oktoberfest there. And this figure really, I was nervous getting it. I've never gotten one of these prize type figures before, and honestly it wasn't very expensive. It was probably under $30, maybe $29 or less. And what really surprised me was the quality and the attention to detail on this particular figure, which can only make me imagine what some of the higher priced ones are. For example, the little bits of beer here on the opening, the presentation, even the little pretzel that's on there. It's all the attention to detail. You can even see here the REM base actually looks like a beer coaster, and it's meant to look like that. Very excellent attention to detail for something that's very inexpensive. And when I unmasked this thing, wow. I've heard Jobby the Hong reference something called the Roger Rabbit effect, where you feel like something's jumped off the screen, and boy, for my first figure, that really feels like it. It fits pretty securely in that base. You just go ahead and place both of the beer boots in here. I have one of these beer boots, and mine doesn't have a handle. I wish it did, because it actually is really quite uncomfortable to hold them and drink out of them, but if she drinks both of those, she is a champion, and certainly somebody my ancestors would be proud of. I'm really impressed here, and frankly I wish this figure wasn't as cool as it is, because I feel like it might inspire me to buy even more. Check out the link below where to get it. Kampai!